In Alteryx, removing leading zeros from a string field can be done in two ways. Here is how. The easiest option is to adjust the data type using two consecutive select tools. First, transform the field to a number by setting the data type to double. This will naturally remove the leading zeros. Then, in the second select tool, change the data type back to string. If this isn't possible due to the structure of your data, for example, if the cell contains a currency label like USD, which prevents the field from being converted to a number, you can use the formula tool. In the formula tool, add a regex replace formula. For comparison, I'll create a new column, but you can also edit the existing one. This formula has three arguments. The field you want to edit, in this case, currency, a regular expression to identify leading zeros. Here we use the caret symbol to indicate the beginning of the line, followed by 0, and then the plus symbol quantifier, which means that 0 can appear multiple times. The third argument is what we want to replace those zeros with. In this case, an empty pair of quotation marks means nothing. Let's check the results.